I'm not saying I'm angry. I'm just tired of explaining people who have already decided what they think of me. I said I will be there in 5 minutes, which in human terms means emotionally I have left, but physically I haven't. I wasn't planning on liking you, but you're annoyingly consistent. So here we are. This isn't about promises. It's about showing up every single time, right?